You're so affectionate to me. And I just want to see you around me. So, please come to visit me whenever you call. You can, and I will miss you a lot.
Okay.
Okay, got
How about Tom and Jerry and all of you? You have a wonderful parent to send you here, even though they miss them a lot. They miss you a lot, but they still have a courage to send you here. So, be appreciate that and always take care of them very well. And for all of you, I have three messages only. So firstly, always take care of yourself in the best way. Sleep enough 7 to 8 hours per day. Eating more healthy food. So you learn from the Hiroshi Shinja. He teaches you a lot. And eat less junk food. Doing more exercise like yoga, what I teach you. And read book instead of surfing internet. Okay? Secondly, that is practice observing skill.
Okay.
Always look around to find out things you can do and make it better. For example, sweeping the floor, cleaning the dirty table, or arrange the chairs. And by developing observing skill, bit by bit, day by day, you will become a very helpful person in your family, in your organization, and your community. That is the foundation of leadership. If you want to be successful in future, do things that no need anyone to tell you to do, what to do. And the final lesson, learn how to connect with yourself. I mean your inner self. Listen to your own voice. To aware your own feeling. And to understand what you really want. And then just follow your heart. You will be alright. You will be fine. You will be successful. Thank you.